how to buy XRP spot and on leverage in the United States. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you this quick and easy tutorial on how you can go ahead and do this. Now you simply want to go ahead and navigate through this website called blowfin.com, and once inside, you will be taken to their menu right here. Of course, you want to go ahead and create your own account in order to start buying some XRP on this platform right here. Now, right after creating your account, the first step that you want to do is to navigate through the buy crypto button. Inside buy crypto, we can then go ahead and pay for real money in order to receive USDT, because we are going to use USDT in order to trade for some XRP. And before we do that, we need to go ahead and get ourselves some USDT. So in here, you can just go ahead and pay for some USDT. If you go ahead and type for $10, which is 10 USDT, you can then go ahead and receive this USDT right here. And so right after buying some USDT into your account, you can then navigate through this spot button once again at the top of your screen. Now from here, it will then go ahead and take you to this menu. You simply want to click on the Bitcoin logo right here. Go ahead and search for XRP to USDT, and inside we can then go ahead and buy some XRP for USDT. Let's just go ahead and say that I want to buy 10 XRP, and right after typing the amount, you simply want to go ahead and click on the XRP buy button. It will then go ahead and trade our USDT for some XRP. Now, if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.